Okay, students, we are going to start chapter number 1 from book 2. The name of the chapter is Direct and Inverse Proportion. Direct and Inverse Proportion. Okay, first we look at direct proportion. Direct proportion is where the relationship of two things is present in such a way that the impact of an increase, the effect of rise, causes the other related thing to rise or increase along with it. Means if one thing is increasing, the other thing is increasing too. And similarly, if one thing is falling, the other thing is also falling. ठीक है, एक चीज इंक्रीज हो रही है, दूसरी चीज भी उसके साथ साथ इंक्रीज हो रही है, एक चीज फॉल हो रही है, दूसरी चीज भी उसके साथ फॉल हो रही है. लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. हम आइसक्रीम खाते हैं, ठीक है, तो as the temperature increases, the sales of ice cream increases or falls. Think okay, if there is more hot temperature, the temperature, if the temperature is hot, ठीक है, the temperature is rising, then the sales of ice cream will also rise. ठीक है, in summers you demand more ice cream, and if the temperature is falling, ठीक है, it's winters, so the sales of ice cream will also be falling. ठीक है, so you can say these two things, the temperature and sales of ice cream, are directly connected with each other. They have a direct relationship. Okay, we can think of any other example. For example, if you are buying something, you are buying books, ठीक है, so as the number of books increase, the cost, the total cost of the books, the total cost of the books will also increase. So these two things are directly connected with each other. The number of books is increasing, the cost of the books is also increasing. If you reduce the number of books, the cost of the books will also reduce. The total cost of the books will also reduce. ठीक है, so one thing is rising, the other thing is also rising. This is the case of direct proportion. Now come to page number 5. Page number 5, practice now 1. The question says, if 50 gram of if 50 gram of sweets cost $2.1, find the cost of 380 grams. You have to find the cost of 380 grams of sweets. ठीक है, if you remember, we did ratio method in book 1 chapter number 9, ratio method. So there are two things, the weight of the sweets and the cost. The weight of 50 gram is 2.1, and you have to find out the weight of 380 grams. The cost is unknown, so we consider it as x. Now cross multiply. 50 times x equals 380 times 2.1. X equals 380 multiplied by 2.1 over 50. 0, 0 cancel out. Remove the decimal, add 0. Now this becomes 38 into 21 over 50. Now you simplify, 2 ones are 2 nines are 2 25s are. Now 19 times 21 over 25. So if you calculate 19 times 21, this will be 399 over 25. Now when you divide 399 over 25, okay, So 15, 25 nines are. This will be 225. So the cost is $15.9. Now you can try a similar question from exercise 1A, question number 1. Try the question by yourself and check your answer and see if you have done it correctly or not.